In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph in Excel. By the end, you'll turn plain numbers into a clean visual that's easy to compare at a glance. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along with any recent version of Excel. First, make sure your data is organized. Put your categories, like product names or months, in one column and their corresponding values in the next column. Include short, descriptive headers at the top of each column. Now highlight the data you want to graph, including those headers. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the full range. If your list is long, click the first cell, and then shift-click the last cell to select everything in between. Avoid blank rows or mixed text and numbers in the value column, because that can confuse the chart. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where all of Excel's chart tools live. If your window is narrow, some buttons may be grouped. Just expand the window or look for the Charts section. Keep your data highlighted while you do this, so Excel knows exactly what to visualize. Now, click the bar chart icon in the Charts group. Depending on your version, you may see an option labeled Insert Column or Bar Chart. A column chart shows vertical bars, while a bar chart displays them horizontally. Both compare values across categories, so choose the orientation that best fits your labels and space. If your category names are long, a horizontal bar chart is often easier to read. When the gallery opens, choose between 2D and 3D designs. For most comparisons, a 2D bar or column is the clearest and most accurate because it keeps the focus on bar length. A 3D design can look stylish, but it may distort how tall or long the bars appear. If you want readability and quick insights, stick with a simple 2D option. After you select the style, Excel will instantly insert the chart onto your sheet using the data you highlighted. You'll see category names along one axis and values along the other, with bars representing each value. If your bars look cramped, try widening the chart area by dragging the edges so labels have room to breathe. If something looks off, double-check that you included the headers in your selection and that your values are stored as numbers, not text. Also make sure there aren't extra blank rows in the range. That's it. Highlight your data, go to Insert, choose the bar chart icon, and pick a 2D or 3D style. You now have a clear, comparable bar graph in Excel.